Hello and welcome to my review of the Fire Stick 3rd Gen with Alexa voice remote and the Star Wars The Mandalorian remote cover. As a huge fan of streaming movies and TV shows, I was excited to try out the Fire Stick TV. And as a fan of Star Wars, I was even more excited to add the Mandalorian remote cover to my setup. I've been using both for the past few months and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you, so let's dive in. And as always, you can check out the latest pricing in the description below, and if I'm able to get any discounts or coupon codes, I'll include those for you as well. First of all, let's talk about the setup process. When I received the Fire Stick TV, I couldn't wait to get it up and running, and I have to say the setup was incredibly easy. All I had to do was plug the Fire TV Stick into the HDMI port on my TV, connect it to my Wi-Fi network, and follow the on-screen instructions. Within minutes, I was ready to start streaming. One of the standout features of the Fire TV Stick is the Alexa voice remote. This remote allows you to control your TV and the Fire TV Stick with just your voice. You can turn the volume up or down, change the channel, or search for a specific show or movie just by asking Alexa. And the best part is, you don't even have to press a button. You just speak naturally and Alexa will do the rest. The picture and sound quality on the Fire TV Stick are also excellent. I've been streaming a variety of shows and movies, and the picture is always crisp and clear. The sound is also top-notch. I've been using the Fire TV Stick with a soundbar and the combination is fantastic. One of the things that really sets the Fire TV Stick apart from other streaming devices is the sheer amount of content available. With apps like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime pre-installed, you have access to a huge library of movies and TV shows right out of the box. And if that wasn't enough, you can also download additional apps like HBO Max, Disney+, and more to access even more content. The options are endless. But the Fire TV Stick isn't just for streaming movies and TV shows. It's also great for gaming. With access to a wide variety of games, you can turn your TV into a gaming console. And if you have an Amazon Echo device, you can even use voice commands to control your games. Another great feature of the Fire TV Stick is the ability to control other smart home devices. With Alexa built in, you can use your voice to control smart lights, thermostats, and more. It's a convenient way to manage your smart home without having to use multiple devices. Now let's talk about the Star Wars The Mandalorian remote cover. I was really excited to add this to my setup, and it definitely doesn't disappoint. The cover is made of a soft silicone material that feels great in the hand. It's also easy to slip on and off the remote so you can switch up the look whenever you want. The bounty blue color is really eye-catching, and the character designs are spot on. It's a great way to add some Star Wars flair to your living room. In conclusion, I'm absolutely thrilled with the Fire TV Stick 3rd Gen with Alexa voice remote and the Star Wars The Mandalorian remote cover. The Fire TV Stick is an excellent streaming device that offers a ton of content, has great picture and sound quality, and is easy to use. The Alexa voice remote is a game changer, allowing you to control your TV and Fire TV Stick with just your voice, and the Star Wars The Mandalorian remote cover is a fun, stylish addition that adds a touch of Star Wars to your setup. I couldn't be happier with my purchase, and I would highly recommend both the Fire TV Stick and the remote cover to anyone in the market for a streaming device and a remote cover. So hopefully you found this review helpful. If so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. And if you have any comments or questions, please share those below, as I love getting to respond to as many of those as I can. Finally, if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to the Consumer Buddy family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. So until then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.